All right, for day 3 of the Polar Packet, we have 2 sections here. The first one is the crossword puzzle. For this, the words that are in there are mostly words that we have dealt with at this point in the geometry curriculum. If it's something that you're not sure about, I would encourage you to do a quick Google search, see what you can come up with. If that doesn't pull up anything, then you can shoot me a message and I'll try to help you out with that. The other thing is use the process of elimination. Get the ones in that you know, and then see what's left and maybe work on Googling those words rather than the clues to be able to find it. On the second side, for the circumference and area of a circle, we're looking at 2 formulas. The first one is the circumference, which is pi times the diameter, or 2 times pi times the radius. The second one is pi times the radius squared. Now, kind of the new thing for you guys, possibly if you haven't done this on Alex yet, is that the answers are left in terms of pi. So what they're doing in this problem is that they're doing all the math except for multiplying by 3.14 and then just leaving that in there kind of like it's a variable, even though it's not. So I'll show you an example here. Let's say that I have a radius of 8 inches. So to find the circumference, I don't want to use the pi times diameter because I have a radius. So I would use 2 times pi times 8, and I would just multiply everything that's not pi. So 2 times 8 is 16. So 16 times pi is just 16 pi, and that is my circumference, 16 pi inches. For area, I'm going to do pi times the radius squared, which in this case is 8. So pi times 8 squared, order of operations says to square things before you multiply. So I'm going to go ahead and square this 8. 8 times 8 is 64. And pi times 64, since I'm just leaving pi in it, would be 64 pi inches squared. To complete the problem, the puzzle here, you are going to be connecting the tip of the answer with the tip of the radius in those little boxes that are there. And you should go through certain letters, and then it should leave you with a name at the end. Okay. Apologize for any environmental noises here. I do have my niece and nephew at home with me, and they are occasionally a little loud. So, all right, if you have any questions, let me know.